Okay, well, just let it run for a bit. All right, guys. So today we're gonna do a little fun video with me and Alanna. This is my brother's wife right here. So this video would now be the Coachella box unboxing. We just got our box from UPS, Amazon. I don't know where. I forgot. I don't know. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter.
USPS.
USPS. Well, we just got it from USPS yesterday, but we weren't able to open it until today. So we're gonna go ahead and open it and show you guys what's inside. I'll just do like a little fast video on this.
So Karlos, who are you expecting to see at Coachella, or like any surprise guests that you are interested in?
I mean, I'm hoping that Karol G brings out Shakira. Karol G is the reason why I'm going this year. What do you think of the box?
It's cute. I remember about like 2 years ago, wasn't the box like purple?
Somewhere in my thing. I don't remember.
Last year's color box was.
You remember? Orange, I guess. So this is the boxes here. It's very like desert colors, honestly. Whoa. So it's usually not blue though. So okay, so let's go ahead and open it. I heard that the bracelets are like much thicker this year, so they're a little bit thicker than the other ones. Usually they're a little bit thinner.
I like the colors.
I like the colors too. So they're yellow. Sunny. And I'll show you guys a little closer here in a minute. And let's see. Let's open this box.
Wristband application.
So that would just be like how to put in your wristband and everything, and you can just usually just put your wristband right here, and if you have like more than one, you can just keep it in the box.
Oh, I didn't know that.
I hope you guys can hear me. I forgot I have my microphone here. The other one is like, don't put your wristband in before you get to the festival, obviously, because then you can't take it off, so you're gonna have to shower with it. Next thing is going to be your sticker. You get your sticker. There you go. Just I haven't used my stickers from the past years.
This is a 2026 welcome guide. Oh.
Show it off. What's in there?
Desert essentials, the map, changing stations, what not to bring, lockers, lost and found, info, kiosks. Okay, I cannot read that way. Getting here, any line shuttle, Coachella, and then medical needs. I hope none of us needs
just
that.
A few tips, right?
Yeah.
So there's a lot of like do's and don'ts when it comes to Coachella, obviously, like every festival. But like we can list a couple of things, and like anyone can really ask us, and we'll be able to tell you guys like what to bring and what not to bring. Yeah, and alcohol. A lot of people ask about alcohol, but alcohol, it depends on who's on the gate. So if you have somebody that will let you in with the liquid and they don't care, then you can get in with liquid. So okay, next thing is going to be stickers. No, pose. They're like little post
no, they're stickers.
Oh yeah, there are
stickers.
Little
set stickers.
So they're from all the stages, like a few other stickers and all the other stages right there. I heard about this. There's a memory book of all like the little firsts that you will do out there. And it breaks it down between days, and you can add your stickers on there and everything.
Here's who I saw on Saturday. Let's see. I'm definitely gonna go see Addison Rae. That's for sure number one.
Yeah. I'm not gonna see anybody that day.
David Guetta.
David Guetta, yeah. All right, and then this is a cool thing that I saw that it comes with the poster, and apparently it has all the performers from the very first Coachella and up until this year.
There you go.
Not cool.
Hopefully it's not upside down. I knew it.
Oh, we're gonna cover Alanna because she's holding it, but it's like basically everybody that's performed. Like you could see like Lady Gaga somewhere around here too, I'm sure. Right there. You can find Bad Bunny, but you know it's gonna take you a while to find everybody. But it's showing you everybody that's ever performed at Coachella.
That is so cool. I didn't know that.
Yeah.
I just thought it was like all of the artists for this year. I didn't know that.
Yeah, like this. So this is all I've seen at like the Coachella Instagram thing. Okay, the next thing is that
Build your own holographic projector.
and I don't know how to do this honestly. Alright, so my brother opened his box like a couple days ago, and he showed me this part, and we can't figure it out. It's a color projector. We have to put your phone, and it's a screen right here, and I've yet to figure out how to do it. Oh. It says, remove the both sides separate.
There you go.
It's just supposed to.
It's a little hologram.
Okay, wait. So this is just supposed to just point to that screen and that's it? Like, who's supposed to watch this like this?
I don't know, but it's a little hologram. So it's a little hologram.
Okay, this is kind of lame, honestly.
Cute. I don't.
All right, so this is gonna be the hologram right here, and that is it, guys. So this is our unboxing video. This is gonna be the first unboxing video that I guess we'll do this every year for the next, I don't know how long. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and put all this up, and thank you guys for watching our unboxing video. Again, this is our little Coachella box right here. We're excited. We have 2 weeks and a few days away. Go watch our TikToks, go watch our blogging video, and we have a new blogging video coming out this Monday as well, and more soon to come. So signing out, this is Karlos
and Alanna,
and thank you so much for watching, guys. We'll see you at Coachella.
Bye.